Good morning. How are you all? Fine. So, let's begin our today's class. So, you all are feeling refreshed? Had your proper breakfast, milk, energized now, isn't it? Okay. So, let's begin with our today's English class. Yes, because this is our English period. And what we are doing in English? We are learning different slanting line alphabets. Slanting line याद है आपको? Yes. So we are doing different slanting line alphabets. So what is the date today? Today is 16th July 2020 and the day is Thursday. Yes, the day is Thursday. So how we pronounce day? Thursday. Say with me, Thursday. Okay. So what we are going to do today? Today ma'am is going to teach you about two alphabets. Okay. So why two alphabets? Because now you have learned how to draw slanting lines, isn't it? So now today we are going to do two alphabets of slanting lines. That is X. All of you say with me, X and Y. X and Y. Okay. So can anyone tell me different objects with alphabet X? Ma'am has drawn some on the board. So can you identify these alphabets? आप ये देखिए मैम ने X alphabet के different pictures draw किए हैं. Can you identify them? Yes, anyone? Okay. Let's start one by one with all the objects. Okay. So what is this? ये तो सबको बहुत अच्छे से पता होगा. Christmas tree. Yes. So what we call it? Xmas tree. What we call it? Xmas tree. अच्छा आपको पता है Xmas tree कब देखने को मिलता है? When we can see it? जब Christmas आता है. Yes. और Christmas कब आता है? 25th of December. जब बहुत ठंडी का मौसम होता है ना? और उस दिन क्या हुआ था? Can anyone tell me? Why we celebrate Christmas? Because Jesus Christ was born on that day. वो Jesus Christ का birthday होता है. Okay? So what is this? This is Xmas tree. Say with me, Xmas tree. All of you say with me, Xmas tree. Yes. What is this? Xmas tree. Okay. Now moving to the next picture. What is this? ये छोटा सा है, इसमें ना हमारे bones दिख रहे हैं. So can you tell me what is this? Yes, can anyone tell me? This is called X-ray. X-ray. What it is called? X-ray. अब ये क्या होता है? I'll just explain you. Sometimes हम खेल रहे होते हैं and we fall down, isn't it? हमें दर्द होता है लेकिन हमें चोट दिखाई नहीं देती. ऐसा होता है ना कई बार. Then what we do? We go to doctor. और वो क्या करते हैं? They get this X-ray done. और ये क्या होता है? हमारी बॉडी के ऊपर स्किन है लेकिन अंदर क्या है नहीं पता लगता. अगर अंदर हमें चोट लग रही है, how we will come to know? With the help of this X-ray. ये एक ray होती है. What is ray? एक light होती है that can see inside your body. Okay. Now if you are watching me, आप मेरे को देख रहे हो या मैम आपको देख रही है तो मैम आपकी bones नहीं देख पाएंगी ना. But this X-ray जो ray होती है, that is able to see your bones, which is inside your skin. आपकी जो skin के नीचे bones छुपी हुई हैं, वो देख पाती हैं. So what we call that? X-ray. So what is this? X-ray. And what is this? Xmas tree. Say with me, Xmas tree. What is this? Xmas tree. And what is this? X-ray. Yes. Now can you identify this picture? ये एक ना it is like a musical instrument for kids. बच्चों के लिए एक छोटा सा musical instrument होता है. So can you identify what is this? No, it is not drum. No, it is not drum. It is called xylophone. Say with me, xylophone. So it also starts with X. Xylophone. So what is this? ये एक wooden ये जो आप देख रहे हो, I have drawn some ये वुडन बार्स होती हैं और जब हम इसके ऊपर एक हैमर, आप ये देख रहे हो इसकी 2 स्टिक्स, ये ना छोटे छोटे हैमर्स होते हैं, यानी छोटी सी प्लास्टिक में हथौड़ी होती है, एंड व्हेन वी बैंग इट तो बहुत डिफरेंट अच्छा सा म्यूजिक निकलता है इससे. सो इट इज बेसिकली अ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? xylophone. How we are going to pronounce it? Xylophone. Xylophone नहीं बोलना है, it is called xylophone. So let's revise the alphabet X. X is written as slanting line when they are overlapping with each other. जब X हम लिखते हैं तो जो 2 slanting lines हैं they overlap, एक दूसरे के ऊपर से आती हैं. Okay? So this is called alphabet X. What do you call it? X. So now X. X for Xmas tree. Say with me. X. X for Xmas tree. Then X for X-ray. Yes. Then what is this? X for xylophone. Say with me. Xylophone. Understood everyone? Alphabet X. Now we are moving to the next alphabet, that is alphabet Y. Alphabet Y. So can you tell me something related to alphabet Y? Y से क्या होता है? Anything? Yo-yo. Yes, yo-yo. आप सबके पास है yo-yo toy? तो आप बताओ yo-yo कैसा होता है? If you have yo-yo toy, then how it is? इसमें 2 प्लास्टिक की डिस्क होती हैं और बीच में एक इलास्टिक स्ट्रिंग होता है जो खींच सकता होता है ना. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी थ्रो इट, वी कैच इट. हम उसको थ्रो करते हैं, पहले वो डाउन जाता है और फिर वापस से वो बाउंस होके बॉल की तरह हमारे पास आता है. व्हाई? क्योंकि जो उसमें इलास्टिक है वो उसको वापस पीछे खींचता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? यो-यो. व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? यो-यो. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? आपने ये ना मम्मा या दादी या नानी when they knit the sweater, जब वो स्वेटर बुनते हैं, knitting करते हैं स्वेटर की, तो आपने उनके पास देखा होगा in winters. Yes? ऊन का गोला देखा है आपने, जब मम्मा या नानी या दादी आपके लिए स्वेटर बनाते हैं. So what we call it? Yarn. What we call it बेटा? Yarn. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. So speak loudly with me. Y for yo-yo. Y for yarn. Yarn क्या होता है? जो ऊन होती है, जो वूल होती है, उसका एक गोला. वूल के गोले को हम क्या कहते हैं? yarn. अच्छा, can you tell me हमें वूल कहाँ से मिलती है? From where we get this wool? आपने शीप देखी है? शीप के स्किन के ऊपर जो वो सॉफ्ट हेयर्स टाइप होते हैं, वहां से हमें वूल मिलती है. ओके, सो वूल कहां से मिलती है? फ्रॉम शीप. शिप नहीं, शीप. यस. सो फ्रॉम देयर वी गेट वूल और उस वूल के यार्न्स बनाए जाते हैं, इस तरह के गोले बनाए जाते हैं, फिर जिसको यूज करके हम लोग अपने लिए स्वेटर्स बनाते हैं. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, Y फॉर yacht. इसको हम yacht नहीं बोलते. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? yacht. So say properly with me. Y for yacht. Yacht. Y for yacht. So what is a yacht? What is a yacht? Can you tell me? I'll just show you the picture in the book also. So what is a yacht? It is like a boat. See here. Here. It is like a boat that sails in water. इसके ऊपर हम खड़े होके या बैठ के we go in water. Clear everyone? So what is this? This is yacht. So now we are going to revise both the alphabets once again. What we have done? We have done alphabet X. So how we pronounce it? X. X. And what is this? Y. Y. Okay, so X for Xmas tree. Say with me. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Yes, very good. X for X-ray. And X for xylophone. you know how to write alphabet X now? Good. Now moving to the next one. Y. Y for yarn. So what is a yarn? A woolen ball. Wool की जो ball होती है, that is called yarn. This is yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yes. And what is this? Y for yacht. How are you going to pronounce it? Y for yacht. Now how to write Y? I'll tell you. First we will draw this slanting line and then this slanting line will come and touch here first. X में हम इसको नीचे तक लाते हैं, but in Y we will only touch this slanting line and leave it. So this is alphabet Y. Understood everyone? Now your today's work is open your English book. My first book of English. आपको second वाला नहीं open करना है. My first book of English and the page numbers is 64. So book page number 64 for your X and book page number 66 for your Y. Clear everyone? So what you have to do? You have to first trace these alphabets and color the different pictures. Clear all your work? Similarly with Y also, you have to first trace this alphabet. You have to circle the pictures, cross the pictures that are not with Y, and you have to do this matching work. And here also, you will be completing the fence around the sheep so that they do not get lost. तो इनमें आपको color करना. You just have to color this pictures. I'll just show you. You have to color this X here. You have to trace this X here. Then trace Y. And you have to do the matching of the objects. Clear everyone? Understood? So today we have completed 2 more alphabets of slanting line. That is alphabet X and alphabet Y. And work to be done on page number 64 for X and page number 66 for Y. Is that clear to all of you? So keep enjoying your learning. So now I am going to teach you how to write alphabet X and alphabet Y in your notebook. So this is your 4-line pattern notebook. Remember I taught you in class previously also, red, then 2 blue and 1 red again. These are called 4-line pattern notebook. Clear? So now we are going to start our work here. So the first thing is to write today's date. So today is 16th July 2020, and what we are going to do, we are going to trace alphabet X. So the very first thing we have written alphabet itself. Clear? So first we are going to draw a picture related to alphabet X. So what we can draw? We can draw a Xmas tree. So see how I am drawing. आपको भी खुद बनाना है. Don't take help from your parents. Clear? So from here we are starting like this, and again like this. Clear? So what we are going to do, we'll hang some balls here and we'll make a star here. So what is this? This is Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Now how to write this alphabet? Just look here. One slanting line like this and दूसरी slanting line को इसके ऊपर से touch करके लाना है. And where we are going to touch? On the blue line. जो ये first blue line है, यहाँ पे इसको हम first slanting line के ऊपर touch करेंगे. So see again. Like this, first slanting line, then second slanting line like this. Clear? और इन दोनों स्लैंटिंग लाइन के बीच में जो गैप होगा वो आपको बिल्कुल लिटिल गैप रखना है. ज़्यादा नहीं रखना है, बहुत लिटिल, लिटिल मतलब कम गैप, थोड़ा सा गैप रखना है. सो लाइक दिस alphabet X. So what you have to do, you have to write X in all these lines and complete this page. Clear all? Now moving to the next page. ये हमारा next page है. We are going to learn how to write alphabet Y. So again we are going to write today's date like this. Then we'll write alphabet Y. Now what is for Y? Y for yo-yo. So we'll draw a picture of yo-yo. How? Make one disc like this and one more disc like this. उसी के पास में बनाना है आपको and just connect it like this. उसके बाद we'll draw a elastic string और उसमें एक ring लगा देंगे. For what we are putting this ring? इसमें ring क्यों होता है? Because so that we can put that yo-yo in our hand and can play like this. ठीक है, हम उसको ऐसे बाउंस करते हैं और फिर कैच करते हैं. सो ये रिंग क्या होता है, उसे हमारी फिंगर से अटैच रखता है. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज यो यो. सो व्हाट इज दिस? यो यो. नाउ हाउ टू राइट अल्फाबेट Y. सी हियर. First you will draw a small slanting line. Red line से first blue line तक you will draw one small slanting line. Then from this red line again you will draw a slanting line touching the blue line. Understood? Now again first you will draw one small slanting line from this red line to first blue line. फिर उसके थोड़ी सी दूर, जैसे हमने X में किया था, see as we have done in X, तो हम Y में भी उतनी ही दूर से दूसरा स्लैंटिंग लाइन स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट वी विल टच दिस हियर. सो अगेन आई विल शो यू लाइक दिस. You will write alphabet Y. So what you have to do? You have to do this work of X and Y in your notebook. Learning and share your work with me. Bye all. Meet soon again.